Thank you. Hi, my name is Shivani. I'm your speaking examiner. I will take your speaking test now. There will be three rounds. In first round, I will ask you 100 questions. In the second round, I'll give you a cue card, a topic on which you have to speak for 2 minutes. If you wish to make notes, you can make the notes. With the pen and paper. Last will be the discussion based on the cue card. The speaking would be timed, and all the analysis would be based on the recording. You would be recorded throughout the speaking. Are you comfortable? Yes. Well, shall we proceed with the first round? Yes. Introduce yourself, please. My name is Mohit Dulakar. I am from Gurgaon. About my education, so I have completed my graduation from BC, Bachelor of Computer Application from Swami Vivekananda University in Meerut on December 23. Regarding my hobbies, so I love to do gymming, swimming, and riding bikes because I love to riding bikes. I'm a bike enthusiast. It's all about. All right, let's proceed to the first round and let's talk about New Year. How do you celebrate New Year? Uh, Last year I celebrated New Year with my colleagues and my friends because that time I worked with my lots of friends. In my company, definitely. Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? Pardon? Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? Yes, last New Year, I spent my New Year with my one of my closest friend, a girl. We spent approximately 70,000 rupees a night for a club. Do you have any ceremonies to celebrate in the New Year in your country? In my country, yes, they do. They have they make they do lots of things to celebrate New Year. Some are doing parties. Some are like they are preparing for puja and all. And why do people think New Year is a new beginning? Because because as I saw in lots of reports video, the priests always said that New Year will provide you a good beginning and it's help you to enhance a good opportunity. Thank you. That's the end of your first round. We'll proceed to the second round. It's a cue card section. I want you to describe a skill that you can teach other people. Questions you may write. What it is, how you learnt it, how can you teach others the skill, how do you feel about the skill? I repeat, describe a skill that you can teach other people, what it is, how you learned it, how can you teach others this skill, and how do you feel about this skill? You have 1 minute to make your thoughts. Shall I start? Please proceed. So, the question is describe the skill, right? So, teach it from you can teach a people, teach the people. So, I would like to teach digital marketing to the people. The reason behind marketing is one of the best skill to enhance your business and your quality as well because you have to uh, sell anything. You have to first provide your marketing strategies and showcase your product to the person. How you can for the marketing, right? So right now in our generation, we all are doing so we all are using social media internet as well. So I love to do. I will try to teach people through digital marketing through various platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well, because they should learn how to grow their presence and also earn good amount of money through the social media. So I will teach people through this that I said, and also how to edit videos, how to create contents,
how to make SEO content and all, so that the people, the new generation will get a good knowledge about this skill as well. And how did I learn? So through I took coaching from my trainers, and after that I took. So I also saw lots of videos over the YouTube channels and social media as well.
Let's proceed to the third round. Should teachers be funny when they teach?
Sometimes yes, because funny language also a good language to teach students because it helps to remember things in your mind.
What qualities should teachers have?
They should have patience to students. They should have good gratitude.
Which do you think are more important, practical skills or academic skills?
Both are very important for the person, but it depends on what they are needing. Like they need practical knowledge or academic knowledge.
Which age do you think is the best age to learn things?
Uh, After 10 years old, you can start learning skills because this thing will definitely helps to enhance your knowledge.
Thank you. Let's end off your speaking test. Now, the first mistake which I see, keep recording. The first mistake which I see is you did not answer all the questions. Can you quickly check what were the questions? If you do not answer the questions, your marks will automatically get deducted. So you have to ensure that all the four questions are covered, right? So you did this. Occasionally, you're making grammatical errors also. So questions you understood the question, which is the good part. But then I was expecting you to speak more because you did not answer all the questions in the cue card. You stopped in between. Then in the first round, generally you have to take care of the tenses also. Right? There are tense-based questions, past tense and present tense. So there was issues with tenses also. Right? Fluency was fine. Fluency, I did not see much problem, but then I could see problem with grammar. I could see problems with not developing the right content. So means 54% of the marks were covered and 50% were not covered. Again, out of 50%, it's not like that you'll get the full marks. Because then fluency, there were hindrances, the pronunciation part also, there were disturbances in pronunciation part sometimes. So you have to work on all the four parameters. So what are the four parameters? Fluency and coherence, grammatical range and accuracy, vocabulary and pronunciation. So you have to take care of all the four parameters. It's not that you have to be fluent, you have to take care of the grammar also, right? Good.